Dear students, I hope you are practicing well. Now we are going to see work done calculations which belongs to thermodynamics. 11th class chemistry is going on for us, right? So now let us see work done calculations, right? The work done calculations are related to particular formula. Let me write what is that formula. W gas is equal to, yes, pressure of gas into dV. dV gives small change. Small change nothing but which gives information about the reversible process, right? So this is small change. Small change gives a reversible process, right? A reversible process, the process in which, okay, the changes will happen slowly. So that's what this formula will be done integration. So W gas, yes, V1 and V2, pressure gas and dV. Whereas small change, right, the integration will be done. What is it? Integration meaning what? The small change will be happen in volume. So that volume slowly changes. That is from V1 to V2, right? So this formula related to some steps. What are the steps? Step 1. Step 1. Under this step 1, this is the cylinder. Up to here, the gas was filled, right? So gas has, yes, pressure. Gas has some pressure, right? That atmospheric pressure also working on over the gas which is present in the cylinder. So this is atmospheric pressure, right? What is it? Atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure nothing but pressure external. Pressure external. So therefore, how to write it? The formula is there. What is that? Pressure of gas is equal to minus pressure external, right? So this value is substituted in this formula. Then what do we get? What do we get? Yes, W gas is equal to minus of integration V1 and V2 and pressure of gas into dV, right? Then this final formula, this formula also related to step 2. What is that step 2? See that. Step 2. Here also step 2. Yes. This the container or cylinder. Up to here the gas was taken. Up to here the gas was taken. Right. So that gas has pressure and atmospheric pressure also is there. If the pressure of gas is more than atmospheric pressure, so that piston was lift upward. The piston goes upward, means that volume will be increases. The volume will be increased inside the cylinder. So that's what the volume will be increased up to here. So that's what here V1 and V2. So therefore the dV changes positive, right? So based on this formula I am going to write here. What is that formula? If dV is positive, then what do we write? W gas minus of integration V1 and V2, then pressure of gas, right, into dV. If dV is positive, right, positive into negative. So that's what W is equal to This is totally negative. It means what? Work done by the gas or work done by the system is, let me write here, work done by the system or work done by the gas is, what is that, negative. Negative means what? Finally W is equal to negative. So this is the final. This is B. Let us see step 3. Yes, next step 3. Step 3. So we have completed step 1, step 2, then step 3. Let us see here. Then here also cylinder we have to take it up to here. The gas was filled, right? And one piston was arranged on over the gas in the cylinder. Then see, gas has some pressure and atmosphere also has some pressure. If atmospheric pressure is more than the gas which is in the cylinder, then what? The piston will enter, the piston will exert the pressure. So that's what, the piston will move inside. So here the pressure, the volume will be decreases due to more pressure. That's what, more external pressure. So volume will be decreased. So here dV leads. dV gives, what is it? This is the negative. Sorry, this is negative. Right? This value is substituted in this what equation. Then what do we get? Here gas. Next, minus of integration V1 and V2. Then pressure of gas into dV. If dV is negative, right? If dV is negative, so negative into negative means what? Minus into minus, that is what, positive. Therefore, W is equal to positive. It means that work done on the system or work done on the gas gives positive, right? So let me write here. Let me write one for sentence. Work done on the system or on the gas is positive, right? Therefore we can write W is equal to positive totally. Understood? Okay. Dear students, let us see some problems based on these formulas. Yes. These problems are very important, which are related to various formulas. Suppose this is a small graph, right? The graph should be like this. Then here volume on x-axis and pressure on y-axis, right? If they are asking to calculate work, so work done how much they are asking, suppose, right? So during the solution, what to do here? Actually, immediately you have to do it. Then what to cover it, right? Work done under the curve. Okay, work done under the curve. Under curve gives magnitude of work. Right? This area will gives magnitude of work. Magnitude of work means work done under this area, right? So work done under the curve gives magnitude of work, right? This area will give the magnitude of work, the function of work, right? There is no particular values, so that's what there is no particular calculations, right? Let us see second one. Okay, so that this curve was given. Curve was given, right? Here up to here. Then this is volume, this is pressure. Okay, yeah, this is 1 liter, this is 3 liters or 4 liters, you can take it, 4 liter. Then 2 atmosphere. Then they are asking to calculate work done. In this case, what to do here? So up to here you have to rub it. Okay, so we'll do it. Yes, during the calculation, right, immediately you have to fulfill. Means what? You have to draw 2 lines. Then what? This is the work done under the curve. Work done under the curve. Now area is equal to length and height. Length into height. So how much length they have given? So 4 minus 3, that is what? 3 into height, how much they have given? 2 atmosphere, just 2 is equal to how much you will get? 6. But this is not the process. We have the particular formula. What is it formula? W is equal to P into delta V. So delta V means what? Volume changes. Delta V nothing but, yes, let me write. Pressure how much they have given? 2 atmosphere. Then volume how much here? And V2 minus V1, for example. V2 how much is there? 4, right? So 2 into, that's what? 4 minus 1. Therefore how much you will get? 2 into 3. So this is the 6. Okay, 6 you will get. This is the answer. Dear students, work done by the gas or work done by the system. Okay, work done by the gas or work done by the system is negative. So that's what W is equal to negative. What is the answer? 6. So what are the units? Joules or calories? You better to write the joules. Right? This is the answer. We'll go for next problem. Yes, sir. Dear students, let us see question number 3. Just now we have completed question number 2 and 1 also. So question numbers are not allotted. You have to write question number 1 and question number 2. Now we'll see that question number 3. Under the question number 3, they have given like this graph. Okay, here the circle was given right on. So on y axis they have given pressure. Here on x axis they have given volume. So volume they have given 1 liter to 4 liters. Pressure 2 atmosphere to 5 atmosphere. They are asking to calculate work done. They are asking to calculate work, right? So under the solution, what we are going to do, first of all, area of circle we have to calculate, right? So that area of circle is equal to pi r square. Okay, the area of circle is equal to pi r square. So that diameter is equal to how much? So here 4 minus 1, that's what? 3, right? Diameter means what? Here this is the midpoint, here r, here also r, right? So diameter is equal to 2r is equal to 3. Therefore r is equal to how much you will get? R is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, how much this value? So 1.5. Now let us calculate. Yes, work done. Here, this value of r. Immediately you have to substitute this value. What is it? Pi r square. 1.5 r value they have given, which is substituted in r. So here, this is the clockwise direction. The circle is in clockwise direction. Clockwise direction gives negative, right? Clockwise direction gives negative. So which means what is equal to negative. So therefore W is equal to what is that? Negative. So negative, how much they have given? Pi r square. So r value we got already. So W is equal to minus. So what is that? Pi into 1.5 square whole square. So pi value you know that 3.14. So W is equal to minus 3.14 into 1 whole square. This is equal to what? Minus 3.14 into, that is what approximately 2.25, right? You have to multiply. So finally that value is how much you will get? How much? Yes, therefore is equal to and minus and 7.0650. This is what joule. So this is the W is equal to value, right? Okay, so you have to multiply both the values. So here, so 1.5 whole square you will get 2.25 and multiply both the values, you will get W is equal to minus 7.0650. So approx you have to take minus 7.06 joules approximately you have to take it. This is the calculation. Okay, you have to practice more than 2 times. Yes. Dear students, fourth question was given. Write here graph. Then on x-axis volume was given, on y-axis pressure was given. Here volume and pressure. They are asking to calculate work done by the system, right? Either it may be positive or it may be negative. So based on this direction we are going to calculate. The direction of the circle is anti-clockwise. You know that fact for the clockwise rotation, is equal to negative. Anti-clockwise rotation is, that is positive. Just to keep in mind, these two are very, very important. Now we are going to solve the problem. Yes. Solution. Right? Area of circle is equal to pi r square. And diameter of circle is equal to, how much they have given? Yes, 30 minus 10. So approx how much? Yes, 20. Okay, diameter of circle is 20 they have given. Right, diameter is how much? 2r. Here r, here also r. Then 2r is equal to, that is what, 20. Then r is equal to how much? We said 20 divided by 2. So what is that? How much you will get? 10. Right? You have to substitute in this. You have to substitute. So W is equal to what? W is equal to pi r square. So this anti-clockwise rotation. So that's what here should be plus. No need to write plus, right? So W is equal to pi r square as it was written. R value how much they have given? 10. So here pi value how much? You know, 22 by 7 into. So pi squared, 10 squared. R value how much they have given? So 10. 10 squared. So here approx 3.14 into 100. Okay. 10 squared gives 100. So multiply both the values. How much you will get? So 314. This is approx joule. This is the value of W. So what is it? This is the positive. Means what? Work done on the system or work done on the gas. You have to write, okay, one sentence. Work done on the system. Okay, work done on the system or work done on the gas or on the gas. Okay, I hope you all understood. Your practice well, then share the video, subscribe and like it. Thank you all.